And welcome to the last part for chapter 14. Now, this one is on lesson 3. So, prior to this, please be sure that you have done the workbook 2B, okay, on worksheet 14A, B, and C. And make sure that you know what mean, median, and mode very well first. And of course, what are group and ungrouped data. Alright, before you attempt this lesson. Alright, so that you'll be easier for you. Okay, so this question, okay, so this one is a table with the x value here, which of course is what we want to find. So first one, write down the greatest possible value of x given that the mode is 1. What it means is, for example, if x is 0, if I put a 0 here, my mode is 1, correct? Because 9 is the highest number, right? So x can be 0, but how about, can it be 1? Well, if x is 1, my mode is still 1. So basically, there is more than one possible value for x. That is why the question says largest possible value. So how big can x be? Well, x can go all the way to 8. Because when x is still 8, my mode is still 1. When my x is 9, my mode is no longer just 1. It will be 1 and 3. Right? And if my x is 10, my mode will not be a 1, it will be a 3 instead. So the largest possible value of x will be 8. Okay, needless to say, it must be an integer because it is number of children. Okay, part B. Okay, calculate the value of x given that the mean is 1. So in this case, you treat x like a number. So if x is, let's say, a number 8, how would you calculate the mean? Multiply the columns together. Okay, recall first lesson. Multiply the columns together and divide the total number here, right? So this is basically what I wrote. So I multiply them together. Okay, same thing, I'm going to use the underline red color for those that multiply together one. Okay, and then I add them together, divide by total number. But in this case, I form an equation. Question tells me the mean is 1, so it goes to 1. Now don't cross multiply first, simplify first. Okay, because it's a complex operation, so you see I do step by step. I do follow the order of operation first, multiply first. Okay, multiply first. For the numerator, denominator, there's no multiplication, only addition, so I add up the like terms first. Okay, after that, then I do my cross multiply, and it will basically be a linear equation. Solve for x. Now over here, you should expect your x to be an integer, whole number. Alright, because as I said before, it is the number of children. If your x turns out to be a non-integer, okay, please check your answer again. Okay, or please check the working again. Okay, especially the first part. That means something is wrong already. Alright, can? Now, example 2. Okay, example 2. Right. So example 2 is basically a stem and leaf. Okay, stem and leaf. Okay. Now the green color one you can ignore for now. So basically over here it says state the mean age. Okay, mean age, right? So first I count how many data there are. So there are 16 data each. Okay, there are 16 data each. So what I do is I look for the mean first. Okay, so I need to see the part B. I look for the mean first. Sorry, the median, the middle position. So there are 16 data, so 16 divided by 2, I look at the 8 and 9 position. 8 and 9 position are here. Okay, reminder, not left to right. For this stem and leaf, it's from right to left because I need it to be small to big, ascending order. Okay, ascending order. This is 16, 17, 19, then 20, 21, 25. See, ascending order. If I go the other way, you'll be in the wrong order. So it is basically 8 and 9 is 28, 29. That's why I add them together, divide by 2. Okay, to get 28.5. This is the median for book A. For book B, same. I have 16 data. Okay, same. I have 16 data. 8 and 9 position is 43 and 47. So I add them together, divide by 2. Right, to get 45 years old. Okay, to get 45 years old. Now, okay, the next one is which book is more suitable for readers, okay, between age 35 to 50. State a reason. Okay, for me, I will say book B. Okay, why? Because 35 to 50 if I just box it up, 35 to 50. For book A, there are only 4 readers. Alright, for book B, how many are there? I have 5 here already and one more at the top. So I have 6 readers. So because there are more readers in that group, in that age group in book B, therefore book B is more suitable. Alright, now do try the homework questions, okay, the practice questions at the end, okay, at the back. Okay, the answers values here, take note this for part A, part B, part C. Okay, so that's why there are 3. So this is the answer for A, B, and C. Alright, and the homework questions. Okay, do try the homework questions because these are questions open-ended and you will need to have more exposure. Alright, thank you.